Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. In this video I'm going to be showing you a very quick and short way how I cook Isiewu, a Nigeria Isiewu recipe. So in this video guys, for this recipe I'm going to be using these ingredients. These ingredients are the things I'm going to be using. As you can see, the goat meat is already inside the pot on fire, cooking already. Here is my Maggi. Adding my Maggi. And salt to taste. So let's cover and allow it to cook. And if you are new in this channel guys, please like this video, share and subscribe. To all my old and returning subscribers, my new subscriber, thank you so much. I do appreciate you. So guys, let us go. While the goat meat is cooking, I will be blending this bell pepper, grinding this potash. This is potash. In my place it is called akahu. Then, and this goat brain, I will be smashing it as well. So guys, the goat meat is already cooked and I have deboned it, removed the bones. So this is it. Let me go into, this is my oil, this is my grounded potash, and this is the brain. So I'm going to be mixing everything together. The way I do my own, I will mix it like this. I will put this one. To be mixing it together. I actually added the bell pepper. I grounded it and I added it into the goat head while it was still cooking, so that it will be spicy. The pepper will enter the meat. So this is so beautiful and looks delicious. I know it's going to be so yummy. If you have, I don't have Ugba, I think it is Ugba they call it, I don't know. You can add it also, it's optional, but all what I have is what I'm using right now. So yummy. So my Isiewu is ready. When I serve it, I will now add the onions on top. For example, let me put it here. adding these onions. So Isiewu is ready, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys for watching. So this Isiewu, you can use it like this, or you can use it to eat rice. I know some people, maybe some people don't know, but I also use it to eat rice, and it's so delicious, so yummy. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Thank you all. Please like this video, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.
That is winning. That is winning. That is winning. That is winning. I win.
One of people, I see me. Not to do this one.
Let me say drop.
See me.
No.
Nothing there.
No, sorry, just in there.
Nothing there.
Today.
Nothing there.
No, stop.
Here.
No, I mean, Italian win the game.
32.
Italian win the game. Italian win.
Thank you all for watching.
God bless.
Please like and follow this page
and
for more
subscribe.
videos. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Another Traditional TV. And see you in our next one. Thank you.
God bless you. Bye. Ciao.
God bless you. Yeah.